Today I'm going to share with you a new recipe. This is all about taro, and we're going to use fresh milk as the base. Some of you would like taro but don't like to add tea in it, so this is exactly what you are asking for: taro fresh milk with bubbles. We are going to use tapioca pearls. I am going to use 100% taro powder. This is for professionals, so if you'd like to upgrade your taro drinks, use 100% taro powder. This one has got no sweetener nor dairy added to this. Everything that you add will be extra to this, so you can see exactly what you're putting in there. I'm going to show you 3 recipes for 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces, enough for all those with milk tea shops. For the ingredients, we're going to use condensed milk, evaporated milk, fresh milk, because this is a fresh milk based drink. We are going to use hot water and our 100% taro powder. Make sure this is not the 3-in-1 variety. And because I'd like this to be a little bit more decadent, I'm going to add tapioca pearls at the bottom of the drinks. Okay, let's start by making our 12 ounces cup. 2 teaspoons of taro powder, 45 milliliters of hot water. We need to dissolve the powder in hot water first. Use a spoon to dissolve this. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, and I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to put this on top of the drink. I've got my 12-ounce cup here. Tapioca pearls at the bottom of the cup. You can be generous, you can measure this according to whatever you do at your coffee shops or your milk tea shops. Okay, add the ice. Milk. And finish it off with our taro base. And this is our fresh milk taro in 12 ounces cups. Next, for our 16 ounces, I need 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of my taro powder. 2, 3, add 60 ml of hot water and dissolve the powder in the hot water. Look at that beautiful texture of taro, and I can assure you the smell is that of fresh taro. Add evaporated milk. Keep stirring whilst you keep adding all the ingredients, and then the condensed milk. And now it's time to assemble our drink. Once again, we're going to fill the bottom of our cup with tapioca pearls. Ice. Milk. Taro fresh milk bubbles using 16 ounces cup. Finally, the recipe for our 22 ounces cup. We need 4 teaspoons of the taro powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not skimp on this because you'd really like to taste the taro in there. 75 ml of hot water. Dissolve. Before you add the wet ingredients, make sure it is somewhat dissolved. You don't want it to be lumpy. Okay, there you go. I think I'm happy with that. Make sure you scrape the bottom of your cup. There you go, you see? Sometimes you don't really get to see that there are some more lumps there or undissolved powder, so make sure you scrape them all. Okay, now there you go. I'm quite happy with that now. Evaporated milk. condensed milk. It is smelling really, really good, I can tell you. I put a lot of bubbles here, but I suggest that you measure your bubbles so you don't loosen them, because it has to be consistent when you do your costing. You know exactly how much you put in there. Okay, there you go. Ice there, milk. Perfect. And this is our recipe for 22 ounces fresh milk bubbles. 22, 12, and 16 ounces. Wow. I can tell you, this one tastes absolutely like taro. Well, if you are using 100% taro powder already in your milk tea shops, I would suggest that you follow my recipe and let me know how they go for you. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Also, don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of this video clips. Click subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. That is to make our channel grow faster and let more people see what we have to offer here. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.